Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, live at the Zinnia Towers Columbia House, ZNL Events Organizing Services presents the wedding of Kai John Calvin and Conferences, and here is your host, Karanda! Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Ka Kelvin and Ka Princess family, we would like to thank everyone for coming to this very special event. I know every one of you is so excited to see again our couple for tonight, but before that, allow me to introduce to you myself. My name is Randall, and I'm gonna be your master of ceremony for tonight's event. Pero bago ang lahat, mag-practice muna tayo. Isa muna malakas sa palakpakan ng kasamang hiyawan! Lumas malakas pa! Sinigupag na! Grabe, mukhang dito yung gutom kasi hindi ko na marinig eh. Or busy lang sila sa merienda. Meron pa sa ilalim ng lamesa eh. No, hayaan niyo po, maraming kami hinanda para sa inyo. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. And of course, this afternoon won't be complete without our very special set of principal sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga ninong at ninang. As I call your name, guys, please stand para po makilala tayo ng lahat ng ating mga bisita. Let's start off with Ka Ernesto de la Cruz. Let's give it up for Ka Jason Shaguaren. Also, we got Ka Roel Viloria. Ka Nevesio Ching. Ka Jose Cruz. Ayan naman, let's have our ninangs. Let's give it up for Ninang Celine Rosal. Also, we got Ninang Veron Shaguaren. Let's give it up for Ninang Janet Tequines Banzon. Ninang Pearly Estorte. And Ninang Juanine Castellon. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ako, kitang-kita niyo naman. Kitang-kita niyo naman. Ganyan po talaga kapag kayo ay pipili ng ninong at ninang. Dapat yung bata 25 years old and below lang. Kasi para mas matagal pa kayong magagabayan ng ninong at ninang. Tama ba? At syempre, magiging ito ang gabing ito without the key persons for this event. Pero bago ko sila tawagin, inaanyayahan ko muna ang lahat ng ating mga abay, our secondary sponsors, to please gather doon sa ating entrance art so we can have you prepared for your grand entrance. And now, let me introduce to you guys the parents of our couple. Let's start off with the parents of the groom, Mr. Elmer David and Mr. Edita David. And Elmer and Edita, please join us here. Dito po sa harap. Sige po, samahan niyo po kami dito sa harapan. And also, we got the parents of the bride, Mr. Brian Sullivan and Miss Jasmine Sullivan. Ayan, to be represented by her kapatid. Ako, hindi ko na po tatanungin kung kayo po ang bunso or kayo po ang ate, ha? Alam po natin naman na kasal po niya ngayon, so siya po ang bida muna. Pero palagay ko, kung siya po ay 18, kayo po ay 18 and a half lang. Ayan, ako, sa lahat po ng pamilya ng ating bagong kasal, meron po ba kayong gustong sabihin sa lahat ng mga taong nagmamahal sa inyong Ka Kelvin and Ka Princess?
salamat po sa kapatid ko ninyo. Lalo-lalo na po sa mga ninang at ninong. Salamat po ng marami. Binabati ko rin po yung bagong kasal ang aking anak na si Kelvin David at si Princess David na siya. Thank you po.
Salamat po ka.
Ayan, kay Andrea. Ayan talaga yan.
Kaya yung ano, si Kenneth mahiya.
Andrea yan.
Napasik po namin lahat. Salamat po.
Salamat po sa lahat ng mga bisita na dito sa nilagay po mga oras. Alam po, bumubito kayo ng mga oras para dito po sa talagang po siya na ito sa isang mag-asawa na si Kevin at si Princess po. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. You may now go back to your seat. Palakpakan po natin ang pamilya ng ating bagong kasal. Ngayon naman, it's time for us to meet our very special set of secondary sponsors. Let's start off with Team Pride. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our maid of honor, Trisha Arenas. Our bridesmaids, Karen David, Kyla David, Jordan David, and Emerald Johnson. Ngayon naman, kilalanin natin ang ating team groom. Let's give it up for our best man, Carlo David. Our groomsman, Kenneth David. Jeb Julian Sullivan. Jonathan Malo. Ralph Allen Rosal. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating Team Bride and Team Groom. Maraming salamat, guys. You may now go back to your seat. Pero samahan natin ang ating mga bisita. We're gonna be calling this special couple, and as I call their name, guys, may I request everyone to please pick up your table napkins and wave it on the air as we welcome our newlywed couple. Come on, guys. Pick up your table napkins and wave it on the air. And now, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let us wave our table napkins on the air as we welcome for the very first time a husband and wife that shows the love for the couple on the night. Mr. and Mrs. John Gavin and Princess David. That's the energy. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.